There's something here. In Derry. Something bad.
I've always wondered how you'd taste Margaret Dozier. Beep, beep, Richie. Beep, beep, Margie. First comes love, then comes marriage, then comes Richie in the baby carriage. Tomorrow, yesterday, it's all the same for little Pennywise.